Have you ever wondered what you will tell your children when one day they ask you why we haven't done enough to stop global warming? We have, and that's why we founded Treesteem. Help us support the environment. 12 trees planted for each product sold. Treesteem is not only a climate neutral brand with 100% sustainable products, packaging and shopping. It is also climate positive, a statement against the traditional clothing industry. Imagine a world where people only buy products from climate positive brands. This is no longer a dream but a mission. Buy Treesteem and you will be part of the change. We must act now. Let's make the world a greener place.